Obavijest na vratima ove kuće u Cape Coralu u Floridi kaže da je kuća prazna, zapljenjena je i vlasnici su je morali napustiti jer nisu vraćali kredite banci. Tisuće kuća poput ove završile su u epidemiji koja se u Americi zove foreclosure. Lokot je na vratima, ali slučajno znam šifru ovog lokota, iako je upišem. Ključ je unutra. Idemo vidjeti kako izgleda jedna kuća čiji su vlasnici morali iseliti pod pritiskom krize. Kako sam uopće ušao u ovu zapljenjenu kuću? Uz pomoć Marka Josepha, agenta za nekretnine koji organizira obilaske zvane Foreclosure Tours. Ideja safarija kroz bankrotirana naselja zvuči čudno. Kako su ljudi uopće reagirali na nju?
That was taken in very good by the public. It wasn't something where people said you're making money on an idea. It was more of you're doing something proactive and we have an interest because we're in the area and maybe we should go out and take a look at these foreclosures.
Ovo je slika Amerike u recesiji, slika zelenog bazena. Bazen nekad bogatih ljudi, danas beskućnika, odnosno banke. U Markovu busu ima ljudi koji su tu samo turistički, ali ima i kupaca.
I take the old location, they're all done with that. It is location, it's timing when people are freaking out and banks are selling the product, and it's price below what you can build the product for with the bricks and the mortar. Those three things together, location, timing, and price, that's how you will stay in the market today and make money. That makes sense.
Ovi grafikoni pokazuju da je cijena nekretnina u Cape Coralu na Floridi pala na najniži nivo i da je sad dobro vrijeme za kupnju.
We are at a time, as far as charts are concerned, if you're looking to buy, it's not going to get much better.
Ovo je lijepa kuća uz rijeku, koja ima i dok i parkirno mjesto za brodicu. Markova agencija ima toliko zapljenjenih kuća koje prodaje, da je teško držati evidenciju šifri koje otključavaju vrata.
Was there somebody in the house?
No, it's a private party. There's no one here.
Definitely not.
Sure. What was the key?
Well, let's check and see if there's another door open.
Yeah, see if you can go around back now.
What's the financial history on this? When did they knock this mortgage off?
Excuse me.
We don't have that line.
When I looked at it, it was close to $1 million is what they had it back to. So when they came down to 443, it immediately went under contract because this is way below. I mean, a lot of loans in the 400s.
Yeah.
So when you
Even in this recess time.
Yeah, because it's riverfront. The demand for riverfront will always be there because
Of
there are
course,
people.
it's not making any more of
No,
it.
there are people that can afford that.
Now, is it higher on the Fort Myers side?
Yes. 800.
Able to buy this house for $450,000 or whatever it is, and the lot next door. You tear down this house and you put in a huge, huge home, and you're overlooking the river. You got this beautiful dock right here off the one side, so you could still, if you built all of this, your dock wouldn't even be blocking your view. You know, it'd be off to the one side. This would be awesome.
Autobusi Foreclosure Toursa su puni. A koliko je među tim ljudima zapravo zainteresiranih kupaca?
Out of 15 buyers, you may get a third that are genuine, real, ready to buy within the next few months, and you may have a third that are down here because they've heard so much and they want to listen to the market, and then you have a third that are just sightseeing and they're not here to buy anything.
I još nešto smo pitali Marka. Kako kupci reagiraju na činjenicu da kupuju kuću iz koje je netko morao iseliti jer nije vraćao kredite banci?
First wave of our foreclosures were brand new homes that people purchased, speculators, investors, that's what they were. And they bought it with $1,000 down, and they're going to flip and sell the house before it even is completed. Now, the first wave of buyers that did this with the builders, they all made money. The second wave that tried it, that bought in at the 240, 250, 260 range and thought they were going to sell it for 330, 340, they didn't. But they only had $1,000 into the deal. They had 100% financing, so they had no cash out of their pocket. It's very easy to walk away from 5 homes when you have no money in it. Now, the scary part is somebody living in their house that's not a speculator, it's not an investor. Yes, there's emotion involved with that. Yes, you want to see that person figure out a way to do a loan modification to stay in their house. It's a school teacher, it's a fireman, it's a sheriff, whoever it is, that's who you want to get the help.
Svjetska ekonomska recesija i potekla je sa tržišta nekretnina u Americi. Možda je vrijeme da se neke stvari tu promijene. Možda je vrijeme za reset, ne samo na ovoj mikrovalnoj.